Okay, so hello guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a haunted house. It's going to be so much fun. I've already built it. Now I'm just going to show you like the basics and stuff, okay? Well, I haven't built all of it. This is just like the outside part and stuff. I'm just going to fix it. Anyways, okay, so when you walk in, there's a bell and lots of pictures, you see. But you're gonna need friends for this. But so basically, like you can make signs on the back because they won't go to the back. Like that, and you can dispense. You can put like what is ever in there, what you want in there. I put what did I put? I covered it with painting, and I put instant damage in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna take there. Okay, and the next room. Oh yes. So since I haven't built a roof yet, so you're gonna have like a roof on here, and from the back you're just gonna get in. You can drop like anything in there. If you want, you can do a little bit different. Like I'm gonna drop like a skeleton down in there for my friends, so they like freak out. By the way, these skeletons have like levers in them, so if you, they have levers in them. So when your friend is in here, you can't see anything, and you'll just like give them a lever, and they'll open up the iron door. Or you can do something else, like do not open any doors. The doors will open. And okay. Yes, I showed you the basics of this one. Okay, now this one. Okay. So this one, you're gonna want to put observers as observers, and you're gonna want to put something like splash potion of harming, or arrows, and they're all going to be connected up, and I'll show you. And also inside, under the ground, there's skeleton. You can put like a skeleton and a witch. That's what I did, since there's going to be like splash potions of harmony and stuff. Okay. Let me just fix this. And so basically, when they get in, there's gonna be like arrows shooting at them. If you want, you can do it like one at a time. It's your choice. I don't care. It's your build, not mine. And anyways, it's past Halloween, and this is probably not the perfect time to do this. And just ignore it over there, and just building that over. And this is haunted house. Basically, now all you need to do after you wire everything up over here is make it like bigger, so then your friend thinks something's gonna happen in there, and something is gonna happen. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, make sure to go into the comments down below, and maybe I'll make a video on that, helping you on your question. Bye guys.